Hey guys, this is Chayan Paul and welcome to Think English TV, where I will help you to speak English much powerfully and effectively. If you are new on this channel, then consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for getting updates for future videos. So let's jump into today's content. Now the topic of the day is about when to start and what to do. That means the specific time that you start practicing and the way you have to go. That's all about today's topic. So let's discuss about the topic. So first of all, when to do. That means the time where you have to start. Whether it is in the morning or maybe it's in the evening or maybe it's the afternoon. That's totally up to you. There is no specific time to begin with your practice. It can be in the early morning, it can be at any time. Basically, when you practice, it basically depends on your timing when you're gonna start. What's the specific time you can practice it? It's up to you. If I talk about the timing, so there is no specific time to start with this. You can start in the morning, you can start practicing in the evening or in the at night, whenever possible. The best timings for you, it's up to you. You can start when you want because it's not over. You can start from right now. If you can understand more than 95% of this video, then you are welcome. And even if you understand only 10% or maybe less than 10%, that's what I'm saying, then also you are welcome in this video because still you can start your journey with this. The level of your English that you have right now doesn't matter. If you understand more than 95% of any audio and video lectures, you can begin with that level. Or if you understand less than 15% or 10%, then also you can begin with that. Because when to start, and the answer is you can start anytime. So the first point is that you can start what the level you have. You don't need to worry about it. If you can understand more than 10% of any video or any English video lectures, then you can begin with that level. And if you understand more than 90%, that is also effective. Before initiate, take some time and think about your level, what the level you have. Whether you are a basic English learner or even an intermediate level, that's not a problem. You can start from anywhere, what the level you have. Because the way you learn, it's not depend upon your level. Still you can improve. If you are 20 years old, that's a fine time to begin. Or if you are 30 years old or 35 years old and maybe more than that, so that's okay, that's not a problem. Welcome. You can begin in any part or any situations in your life. If you have wish to win, if you can speak English in bit slowly, but still you can improve just by listening and try to practice. Because if you understand 15% or 20% of any video, then also you can start. That's not a problem. And even if you understand more than 85% or more than 90% of any video, then also you can start or you can begin with journey. Right, so there is no limitations about what the level you have. You can always start from scratch or the level you already have. If you know something, then definitely that will be better than zero because you already have some hours, you already have some knowledge about that. And if I talk about what to do, the point is that you can start anytime. You can start anytime. But the thing is that you have to follow some methods. Like for example, the first point is that you take some initiatives. Initiative means you can start a group discussion with your friends, or you can start some public conversations, or you can start some kinds of debates with your friends or any English language learners. It will help you to face the real situation. So that's the point number one. That's super great idea to speaking English much better way. Tip number two is that you can set some specific goals to reach some specific level. If you want to become a master in spoken English, so first of all you have to split the levels. like the basic levels or the intermediate levels and the advanced levels, and in this way you have to split your levels of speaking, and after that you have to choose your target as per those levels. Alright, for example, in the next 3 to 4 months I will reach the basic levels, and after completion of basic level I will go for the intermediate level, and in this way you will reach the advanced level. That means you have to split your timing as per your requirement. So the best way to do that is split your goals into small steps that will help you to reach your ultimate goal in a smoother way. So that's all about the tip number 2. So speak English powerfully, speak English much faster, speak with your friends in a different way, speak like a smart one, and speak like a native. That's all about it. If you got some points from this video, then thumbs up the video and see you again.